Greetings everyone, and you are watching Resell. Greetings everyone. Okay, Barbara. Okay, so greetings everyone. Today we're gonna talk about Barbara's best 3-star weapon. Let's get right into it. For me personally, it's Thrilling Tales of Dragon Slayer. That is because I play Barbara as a support, and I believe it is meant to be played as a support character. So when I tell you, I don't want you to just believe me that it's the best weapon for Barbara. I will show you the calculations that I've done, though it might be a little off, but yeah, I think it should be mostly correct. But let's go to the details. One of the main reasons why we gave Barbara this weapon is 22.8% HP, and this adds up to your total HP. Okay, so as you can see, my max HP is 10,433 and my attack is 342. I know it's low. That is because Barbara is a supporting character and I don't want her as a DPS or any other role. I believe attack is not really necessary. That's why I'm focusing all my artifacts and weapons for HP. HP is the specific reason why I chose this weapon, and additionally it has a specific buff which is very useful for Barbara. Okay, now let's talk about her legacy. When switching characters, the new character taking the field has their attack increased by 48% for 10 seconds. This effect can only occur once every 20 seconds. So imagine if my main DPS is Jianling. Okay, look at her attributes. Her attack is 753. So as you read in the legacy of, not the, you can say the buff that Barbara gives, 48% increase for 10 seconds. So her attack is 753, so 48% should be around 360, 361 approx. And so the damage she would do would be around 1100, which shows how useful Barbara is. She is a support character. So now we're going to talk about her talents, which will help me explain why we need that book. The reason why we chose Thrilling Tales of Dragon Slayer for Barbara is, as you can see in her talent. By the way, I have leveled it up, and you can level up your talent after second ascension. That should be after level 40, but not all of them. You can just level these three, level up these three. Okay, so what we're going to talk about is the skill attributes. So as you can see, when you use this skill, this particular skill heals you 3 times. But if you hit other characters, or not other characters, but your enemies while this duration, it increases your HP by 0.81% of your max HP plus 79. That should be around, yeah, I'll just put it, yeah, this is 0.81% of my max HP, and this is the total on the screen. And continuous regeneration of 4.30% max HP plus 423. That is around 800 something. I'll put the exact numbers on the screen once again. And yeah, this ability heals thrice, so 872 into 3 should be around 2600. Now talking about Shining Miracle, a special ability, what it does is regeneration, 18.9% of the max HP. My max HP is around 10,000, so it is 1971, which is added to 1864. The total is 3835, and yeah, that is because my max HP is 10,000. It's not same for everyone. That's why you need to focus on your HP when using Barbara. Attack is not really necessary. What she has is more than enough. And now getting back to the main topic, which is the weapon. The weapon gives additional HP, it gives attack buff. What more do you want from a support character? And yeah, if this is not enough to prove that this weapon is good, I will just add a short clip of Barbara using that weapon and healing character of mine. By the way, I focused all my artifacts on HP specifically for Barbara. I purposely took damage on my Kaya, and when I switch from Barbara to Kaya, as you can see the arrows going up is the attack buff. If I use Barbara's special power, it will heal Kaya thrice. You see 947, it will do it thrice. It is 947 because I'm using a specific artifact which gives 8% healing bonus. And yeah, once, twice, and this is thrice. And yeah, I didn't show my Barbara special power because I don't want my video to get more lengthy, and yeah, the longer the video it gets boring, people won't watch it. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. With this I check out. Bye bye.